Hi, it's Alatisha Kane, and this is my family. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add multiple Bitmojis for a group picture. One method is to ask other individuals to send you their Bitmoji, or you can share your document so that they can add their Bitmoji to the file. If you don't have those options and need to create Bitmojis for someone else, this video will be perfect for you. Let's begin. Okay, here's my home screen for my phone. I'm going to go into my Bitmoji app to start changing out the avatars. To change the avatars, I'm going to go to Settings, My Data, and then Reset Avatar. Yes, I'm sure. It's easier to just start with one gender and then move on to the next one. So I'm going to start off with girls, skip the selfie process. I'm going to start changing out the avatar so it could look similar to one of my students. Now I'm going to head over to my computer so I can add this avatar onto my scene. I have inserted a picture of some bleachers, and now I'm going to start including the children onto the scene. Let's type in pose so she can have a basic standing position. Resize her. And then I'm going to continue building on more girls, and then I'm going to switch over to the boys. Once I have completed all of the girls in my class, I'm going to reset my avatar. Then I'm going to select a male avatar. Once I am satisfied, save and take them on to the classroom. All of my girls are in place. Now I'm going to start creating the boys. Once I add on all of the boys, I will add myself and my class picture will be complete. Here's my completed picture that I can share with parents and students. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe to Bitmoji Craze for Educators for more videos to come. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you the next time with more videos. Have a good day.